Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting motorcycles of 2025, the Honda Fury Chopper. Whether you're a die-hard chopper enthusiast or just love custom cruisers, this bike is sure to catch your attention. Let's break down what makes the 2025 Honda Fury stand out in the world of custom motorcycles. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Fury Chopper takes the classic chopper design to new heights. With its elongated frame, extended fork, and sleek body lines, this bike is a true head-turner. The Fury retains its signature low, aggressive stance, but with modern updates that give it a fresh, bold look. From the uniquely styled tank to the custom wheels and sleek chrome accents, every inch of this chopper screams individuality and craftsmanship. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Fury packs a powerful 1312cc V-twin engine, providing a perfect balance of torque and power. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on the open road, this engine delivers a smooth, exhilarating ride. Coupled with a 5-speed transmission and Honda's renowned engineering, the 2025 Fury promises reliability and performance that will not disappoint. Comfort and rideability. Despite its aggressive appearance, the 2025 Fury is surprisingly comfortable. The low-slung seat and forward-set foot controls allow for a relaxed riding position, making long rides an enjoyable experience. With the addition of modern suspension components, the Fury handles bumps and rough roads with ease, offering stability without sacrificing the chopper aesthetic. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda Fury Chopper doesn't just look good, it's packed with cutting-edge technology. The bike comes with a fully digital dashboard, offering easy-to-read information like speed, fuel levels, and trip data. Additionally, LED lighting accents not only enhance the bike's futuristic appeal, but also improve visibility on the road. Customization options. One of the highlights of the 2025 Fury is its customization potential. Honda continues to support a wide range of aftermarket parts, allowing riders to tweak the bike to their preferences. From custom exhaust systems to personalized paint jobs, the possibilities are endless when it comes to making the Fury truly your own. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper is a perfect blend of classic chopper styling and modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of custom motorcycles, this bike is designed to impress. With its bold design, powerful engine, and customizable features, the Fury is ready to rule the roads in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more motorcycle reviews and news.